Ah, yes, my friends. Nothing like a walk in Mother Nature. Absolutely incredible stuff happening all around us, all the time. And as human beings, we live a short, fleeting existence, my friends. But Mother Nature continues on for billions and billions of years. And this beauty that you see before you here was created by Mother Nature and was formed over millions of years. Why did Mother Nature put these beauties on the planet? It's an excellent question. Some think it's an absolute fluke, a random mixture of chemicals. Some people think it's to heal our spiritual and physical ailments. But whatever it may be, friends, it's absolutely remarkable. And she could be yours at CosmicCuts.com.